Welcome viewers, Dr. JWAU PROBRICKIE on this one, when the trowel's down. Friday, weekend coming up. Keep learning, keep living. One of the greatest things about finishing work isn't just that the day's over, it's that the evening's still full of possibilities. Learning doesn't stop when you leave school, and it doesn't certainly stop when you become a tradie. In fact, some of life's most rewarding lessons begin after knockoff. You might finally learn to play the guitar, take up photography, study a new language before your next overseas holiday, master the art of cooking, learn to sail, fly a drone, read books you've always meant to read, take online courses, discover astronomy, build furniture, learn to weld artistic sculptures. You might even start a YouTube channel, write a journal, plant a vegetable garden. Every new skill adds something to your life. It gives you confidence, creates new friendships. It opens doors to experiences you never imagined. The world's full of things waiting to be discovered. History, nature, technology, music, art, sport, travel, culture. Every hobby begins with curiosity. Every expert once was a beginner. There's no age limit on trying something new, viewers. Some of the happiest people are lifelong learners, not because they're chasing qualifications, but because they enjoy growing. Life after work is the perfect time to explore the interests you've always talked about but never started. You don't have to become the best, you simply have to begin. Years from now, you may never ordinarily have another Tuesday at work. You may never remember it, but you'll remember the first song you played, the first loaf of bread you baked, the first fish you caught from your kayak, the first photograph you put in proud into a picture frame, the first time you realized you were capable of more than whatever you imagined. You might even do up a Sandman station wagon. Every new skill begins with a single decision. When the tools go down, let your curiosity pick something new for you to learn. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your family, enjoy yourself. Enjoy what you do. I'm PROBRICKIE. Bye for now.